Coffee and lemon together sounds a little strange, right? But millions of people are quietly mixing these two every morning, and some swear it changed how they feel all day. Before you judge it or try it, you'll want to hear what actually happens when coffee meets lemon inside your body. Coffee is already one of the most popular drinks in America, and lemon is known as a health booster in almost every culture. So naturally, people started combining them and claiming all kinds of benefits, from better digestion to weight loss to fewer headaches. The big question is, does this combo really do anything special, or is it just another internet trend? In today's video, we're breaking it all down in plain English. No science overload, no hype. Just what coffee with lemon can do, what it can't do, and who should actually think twice before trying it. By the end, you'll know if this drink is a smart habit for you, or something better left alone. Let's start with the basics. Coffee wakes you up, boosts focus, and helps you feel more alert because of caffeine. Lemon brings vitamin C, a sharp taste, and a fresh kick that many people associate with cleansing the body. When you combine them, you're mixing stimulation with acidity, and that's where things get interesting. First, let's talk about energy and focus. Coffee already gives you a mental boost, but adding lemon changes how it feels for some people. The sour taste can make the drink feel more refreshing and lighter, especially if you normally drink coffee black. Some people say it helps them feel awake without feeling heavy or sluggish afterward. Now let's talk about digestion, because this is one of the biggest reasons people try coffee with lemon. Coffee naturally stimulates your digestive system and can help trigger a bowel movement. Lemon adds acid, which can support stomach activity for some people. Together, they may help get things moving in the morning, especially if you struggle with constipation. But here's where it becomes personal. If you already have a sensitive stomach, this combo might feel too strong. Coffee plus lemon can increase stomach acid, which may cause discomfort, bloating, or a burning feeling for some people. So while one person feels great, another might feel worse. Next, let's talk about hydration. Coffee has a mild dehydrating effect for some people, especially if you drink a lot of it. Lemon doesn't cancel that out, but it can make the drink more appealing, which may encourage you to drink more fluids overall. Still, coffee with lemon should never replace plain water. Now let's move into weight loss claims, because this is where things get wild online. Some people say coffee with lemon melts belly fat. That sounds exciting, but let's slow down. Coffee can slightly increase metabolism and reduce appetite short term. Lemon adds flavor without calories, but there's no magic fat-burning reaction happening here. What actually happens is simpler. If coffee with lemon helps you avoid sugary creamers, flavored syrups, or snacks, then yes, it can support weight goals indirectly. But drinking it alone won't cause weight loss unless your overall habits support it too. Let's talk about headaches, because this is another popular claim. Caffeine can help reduce headaches for some people by narrowing blood vessels. Lemon adds hydration and a sensory wake-up effect for mild headaches. This combo may help some people feel relief, but it's not a cure-all, and too much caffeine can actually make headaches worse. Now we need to talk about teeth, because this matters. Lemon is acidic and coffee can stain teeth. Together, they can be rough on your enamel if you're not careful. Drinking this every day without rinsing your mouth or waiting before brushing can increase sensitivity over time. Using a straw and rinsing with water afterward can help reduce damage. Let's move into gut health and bloating. Some people say coffee with lemon makes their stomach feel flatter and less bloated. This usually happens because the drink encourages bowel movement and reduces water retention temporarily. It's not fat loss, but it can make you feel lighter in the morning. Now let's talk about inflammation and antioxidants. Coffee contains antioxidants, which help fight everyday stress in the body. Lemon also contains antioxidants and vitamin C. Together, they contribute to your daily intake, but they're not a replacement for fruits, vegetables, or a balanced diet. Another thing people report is reduced cravings. Coffee already suppresses appetite for a short time. Lemon's strong taste can make you less interested in sweet foods right after drinking it. This can help some people delay snacking or make better breakfast choices. Let's talk about how people usually drink it. Most people add fresh lemon juice to black coffee, not coffee with cream or sugar. The cleaner the coffee, the more noticeable the lemon flavor. Hot coffee works better than mixing, but some people prefer it iced. Timing matters too. Drinking coffee with lemon first thing in the morning hits your system fast. If you already feel jittery from coffee alone, adding lemon may make that feeling stronger. Some people prefer drinking it after a light breakfast to reduce stomach irritation. Now let's address detox myths quickly. Your liver and kidneys already detox your body. Coffee with lemon does not flush toxins. What it can do is support hydration, digestion, and alertness, which may make you feel cleaner and more energized. Now let's talk about skin, because this comes up a lot. Vitamin C supports skin health, and hydration helps skin look better. If coffee with lemon helps you drink more fluids and eat less sugar, your skin may benefit indirectly. But it's not a miracle skin drink. Now let's discuss who should avoid this drink. If you have acid reflux, ulcers, sensitive teeth, or anxiety issues related to caffeine, this combo might not be a good idea. Pregnant individuals should also limit caffeine intake and talk to a healthcare professional. Let's also talk about balance. Drinking coffee with lemon once in a while is very different from drinking it every day in large amounts. Moderation matters. 1 cup in the morning is very different from multiple cups throughout the day. Now let's talk about how to make it properly. Use fresh lemon juice, not bottled lemon concentrate. Add a small amount at first, like half a teaspoon, and see how your body reacts. You can always add more later. You should never add lemon to very low quality or overly bitter coffee because the taste can become harsh. A smoother coffee works better. And please don't add sugar just to make it drinkable, or you defeat the purpose. Now let's talk about expectations. Coffee with lemon won't fix a bad diet, poor sleep, or lack of movement, but as part of a healthy routine that includes balanced meals, walking, strength training, and enough water, it can fit in just fine. Here's the big reveal that most people don't talk about. Coffee with lemon doesn't change your body in a magical way, but it can change your habits, and habits are what actually shape your health. If this drink helps you wake up earlier, skip sugary coffee drinks, drink more water, eat lighter breakfasts, or feel more in control of your routine, then it can make a real difference. The power isn't in the lemon or coffee alone, it's in how this small habit affects everything else you do that day. That's the part most trends miss. The drink isn't magic, but the behavior shift can be. So let's wrap it up. Drinking coffee with lemon can boost alertness, support digestion for some people, reduce cravings, and feel refreshing. It can also irritate the stomach, affect teeth, or increase jitters if you're sensitive. It's not a miracle drink, but it's not useless either. The key is listening to your body, starting small, and keeping the big picture in mind. Health is built from daily habits, not one trendy drink. If you enjoyed this breakdown, give the video a like, subscribe for more simple health explanations, and share it with someone who loves trying new wellness trends. Now, I want to hear from you. Would you ever try coffee with lemon, or have you already tried it? Drop your experience in the comments below, and let's talk about it.